Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open a phone application, switch to contacts, then select contact which you want to add photo, tap on the pencil icon to edit this contact, then tap add photo. You can take photo or just select one from the gallery. No, not this one, wait. Okay, let's do it from the very beginning. Contact, pencil, add photo, not take photo. Choose photo from the gallery, then select pic which you want to set as like this contact's photo. So here you can adjust it how you want it to look like, and then tap save copy and then save, and as you can see, photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.